Hi, Dan with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2011 Dodge Caravan. Customer called and said they were driving down the road and they noticed that all of a sudden the steering felt real stiff and the temperature gauge started to climb. They were close to the shop, so they pulled in and had us do a quick inspection. As you can see here from all the frayed serpentine belt material, the serpentine belt had failed. Typically, serpentine belts don't just fail on their own. And after a little further inspection on the vehicle, we noticed that the water pump was locked up. It had failed. We advised the customer they would need a new water pump and a new belt to get the vehicle back on the road, which they were happy it was something just as simple as that. Got the repair done, took it for a drive, made sure everything was functioning as it should, gave the customer the vehicle back. They were more than happy with not only a quick diagnosis, but a quick turnaround. So if you have a vehicle that makes some sudden changes into how it's driving or doesn't feel quite like it used to as far as your normal driving, we do offer free inspections. We'd be happy to take the vehicle for a drive or simply just lift it up on the lift and make sure everything is as it should be for your vehicle. So if you have a vehicle that's having an issue like that and you'd like to have it checked out, please feel free to give us a call. My name is Dan. I look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people out there like you can get this information.